Are you still spending your money outside buying suya? Do you want to tell me that at this hard economy, you are still buying suya outside or you are still spending money? Come close, let me tell you something. I will teach you how to make suya today. So, welcome everyone. You are welcome to my channel. Today I share with you how to make suya at home. First of all, we'll be needing a fatless part of meat, that is the muzzle. You need your skewers and the suya pepper. So this is how I slice my meat. If you have a sharp knife, you slice the meat when even it's not frozen. But you can also slice it when it is frozen to get this type of shape, depending on the shape your meat came with. So guys, you have to be very, very careful while you are slotting the meat into the skewer to avoid injuring yourself. So suya is a traditional type of snack which is mostly found in the northern part of Nigeria. So we eat suya all over Nigeria. So it's a common type of snack which is made locally and enjoyed all over Nigeria. So to continue, after slotting your meat into the skewers, you have to lay them on a clean surface before applying the suya spice. So suya spice, the combination of yaji and other type of spices, you layer it or you smear it on the surface of the meat so that it will absorb it now. It will absorb the pepper, the spices now. Then you can mix it up with your seasoning cube and whatever spices you want to add more to it. So first of all, I smeared the suya pepper on the surface of the meat. Then I went in, I smeared my seasoning cube on the surface after smearing the suya spice like yaji. So after I turned the other side, after this I have to turn the meat to the other side. I first of all smeared the seasoning cubes, then I went again with the yaji. So you can mix everything together. You can mix the suya sauce and the yaji, the suya sauce and the seasoning cube together before applying everything at once. But I had to smear the seasoning cube on one side first before layering the yaji. Then the other side I layered the suya pepper before layering the seasoning cube. So you can do it just what is important is that you applied the both consistently until it is well absorbed by the meat. So after here, I have to transfer it to the oven before roasting it. So in order to ensure that the pepper is well absorbed or your yaji is well absorbed, I had to layer some on the surface and keep on rubbing it on the surface until it absorbs all the suya spice. So this is how I make my suya, and this is the process that is involved in making suya. So appreciation time. I want to specially thank all my returning subscribers, and if you are just coming across my video for the very first time, I want to thank you. I want to really appreciate you for stopping by, for clicking the watch button. I'll also appreciate you if you click the subscribe button for more interesting videos, for more kitchen hacks that will help to improve your cooking skills. So please just like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's continue. So I ensure that I apply the sauce, the yaji all over the meat. You can use chicken, you can use whatever that you want to make your suya with, but you know suya is mostly done with the muzzle type of the meat. So I had to ensure that I applied everything well on the surface. So when I am done with this, the next thing I did was to transfer it on the oven rack. So I'll just layer it neatly well on it, and then I'll put the pan beneath it so that any kind of liquid or oil that is coming down will just rest on the oven pan. So together I'm just going to take it into the oven and let it roast there for some time. Then I'll bring it out and rub oil on it. So as you can see, it is here already. I waited for it for just 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I brought it back and smeared some oil on it, and then took it back into the oven and waited for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the temperature of the oven. It's very, very advisable to do this on 100 to 150 degree so that it will cook well and everything. Just let it do its job. So finally, this is how it looks. It was burnt at the edges, just a little bit burnt at the edges, because I allowed it to stay longer, and Let me tell you guys, this suya is so yummy, so tasty. In fact, this is what we call suya. And most importantly, if you do the suya by yourself, at least you know the type of meat you are consuming. It's not the type of meat that you see along the road and then you just buy. So it is very, very not just yummy or not just delicious, but also economical for you and your family. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always staying tuned on my channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.